Right guys, how we doing? It's your boy Yona KW. Just finishing up my packing for Madrid. Got all my stuff down here, pretty much ready to go. But before I go, I want to introduce you guys to someone. Don't judge a book by its covers, because this is Ruby. And she looks like one of the cutest dogs ever, but oh my god, she's the most annoying dog ever, aren't you? How annoying are you on a scale of 1 to 10, huh? She just whines all day long. She doesn't stop. Listen to her. Anyway, I'm out to Madrid tomorrow. First time back in Madrid since 2015. Shut up, dog. Hit her in the face. Right, anyway, Madrid tomorrow. Oh, let's go back into some light. You can actually see me. Madrid tomorrow, early flight. Flying out from Manchester at 6:30 in the morning. Got my friend Charles coming with me as my coach. Back in his Leeds days, he used to train with me. And he'll be joining me out of Madrid, looking after me. Usually I'd go for like a pre-competition trim, but I have not bothered this time, so maybe I'll have to have a quick little shave when I get out to Madrid, because not looking great, not looking fresh. Oh well, doesn't matter.